Hello friends, welcome to Sai Technical Analysis YouTube channel. Again we are back with a new video after a long time, and upcoming days we will be active on YouTube, and we will be uploading a new educational contents and new what we'll be discussing about a market outlook videos and new stock fundamental analysis and many topics, financial topics. So stay tuned and do subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos, right? Again, today's topic is market outlook for upcoming months, right? As you people know that market has been falling since many days from the September when we made a 52-week high, and after that we are been continuously falling. So today I am making a video to analyze that market, why the market has been falling since September ending, and next what should be our approach towards the market and our investments, right? Let's get started with the video, right? As you are seeing here, this is a Nifty 50 daily chart, right? If you look here, we had made an 52-week high around nearly 26,300 on 27 September, right? But since then we are been continuously falling and falling, and we made a low of recently 21,950 nearly, right? When we started falling from September ending, there was no major pullback. The thing, just there was a one side move and there was a slight pullbacks, but there was no major pullbacks, right? Our markets made an top at 27 September. At the same time, the Chinese stock exchange index and Hong Kong index was making a 52-week low and making a bottom, right? You should remember that Indian market's top is equal to in the Chinese market bottom, because when we were in emerging and we were making higher highs, that was making Hang Seng index was making lower lows, right? Just I am explaining the coincidence and correlation between it. First we will look into the Nifty 50 daily chart, right? See, now the immediate support here lies with around last week low, that is nearly 21,950, right? If this breaks, again we are going to see the next we are going to see, if this breaks, we are going to see 21,700, again then nearly 21,500, right? If this breaks and if sustains for a couple of trading sessions, we are going to see another 500 points rally, right? The good thing is that Nifty recovered from that lows, right? It gave around 600 point rally from last week. If you see 21,950 to around 22,600 nearly, it gives around 600 point rally. If this rally sustains, we can expect a more up move, right? First we will look into the resistance where we had marked the support levels, right? 21,950, 21,700, 21,500 nearly, right? These are the support levels to watch out for upcoming months, right? Wherein resistance is yearly, the immediate resistance for a Nifty is the immediate resistance for a Nifty is 22,700, right? If it easily take out this level, again we are heading towards the another 500 to 1000 point rally, right? Till here, right? If it sustains this one, right, I am marking the support levels in a red and resistances have in a green, right, so that you can easily understand the levels, right? This one, right? If this takes out these levels, we can see another pullback rally, we can say, right? Another reason for this fall was also the FIs continuously selling, right? Now market has been getting used to the selling, and new flows are being coming, right? And there was some threats from the Trump on the tariff sanctions. Now market is getting used, right? Market cannot fall for again and again for the same reason of a US tariff, right? And another reason we had a very good rally from 2021 to 24, right? Recently we had a good rally and we had a good party in the markets in a small cap, mid caps, with unbelievable valuations, and unknown stocks were also performing well, and without any good earnings, the small cap, mid cap stocks were, many stocks were performing well, and trading at around 100 p, right? Those stocks were beaten down first, right? Another reason for the our market correction is that USDINR, right? See, when we are at making a highs, US dollar was at trading at 83 rupees, means at a lower level, right? See, since then, once we made a high and it made a bottom USDINR, and again it started to rise, right? It was a one-way rally till 87, again then some decline, again then we made at 80, nearly 88 we made, right? This was a reason also for a fall. There are not a one reason. Many people are only blaming on the FIs. It's not a reason. If it is a major reason, but we need to look into surrounding factors, right? What are the factors it affected? With only one factor we can't fall, right? In this vertical fall, so there we should know the other reasons as well. This was also a reason where when we made a top in Indian markets, equity market, the currency USDINR rupee made a bottom, right? USDINR made a bottom at that time. Again it started to rise and it made a high till 88. So it was also a major factor. And another factor is that our dollar index, right? Dollar index also played a major role in this Indian markets. It impacts our Indian markets as well. A dollar index also plays a major role in emerging markets, right? It is a combination of 4 or 5 major currencies, so it also plays a major role. If we see here, during September, it also made around below 100 levels, right? And then it started rising. It made a high, right? This was a level where our markets were at a peak, right? Again at these levels, many people didn't notice the dollar index and ignored, and at that time it was making a low bottom and a base. With that base, it started to move and made a high of nearly 109.8, 110 nearly approximately. It made high, right? When it was rising one way rally, our markets were falling because dollar index majorly impacts on the emerging markets like India, right? Now it's impacted much. Many people don't know about a dollar index. You should know this also. If you are in a market, we need to track all the major currencies and a dollar index, right? It made a peak here. At that time, our markets were falling and we made a temporary bottom. We can't say it's a permanent bottom as of now, right? Again, then since 13th January, it's continuously falling, right? Which is very positive for emerging markets like India, right? If it's falling, if it sustains below 104, we can create again in upcoming days we can reclaim 24,000 levels for sure. If it sustains below 104 and it doesn't rises again, then we will be we will review it again in upcoming videos. But it's a good news that it is very positive for Indian markets, and Brent is at a very lower levels, right? Crude oil, it is also positive, right? A dollar index also making a low now. It has been at a 3 months lower levels. If we see here, it's at a November level, right? Again, it's declined 5-10%. It will be very positive, and Indian market will react very positive for this news, right? This was a Nifty, and one thing is that we no need to panics, no need to sell any of our holdings in a panic, right? It is a matter of time. Again, we will be back with another good levels, and the market will see a new levels if everything goes well, right? We no need to worry, right? If we see in the bank Nifty as well, same pattern, right? Made a high in September 27, it's same 54,500, and I made a bottom as of now around 47,900, right? 47,850. Right, for same year also we need to watch out this level. If it breaks our major support is at 1000 points below, 800 points below, right, and resistance comes around resistance is around same 49,000 is a resistance for Bank Nifty, right. In last week rally in Bank Nifty also performed, but 49,000 is the very important crucial level for a Bank Nifty. If it takes out, then we will see around 50,000, 51,000, right. It's a matter of time. We need no need to get panic or sell in a panic. Market will give an opportunity to everyone to accumulate as well, to exit as well. We need to take a cautious decisions based on, we need to avoid a greed in these markets, right. Bank Nifty also could perform. And one thing, as you people know that market during the market small cap, mid cap were hugely affected by the selling, right. And again we need to make this one, right. If market takes a pullback and again it start to give a rally upward side, we need to see that first participation should come from large caps, right. It's only a major indicator. If it comes from a mid cap and a small cap, it's not a good sign, it's a cautious sign, right. For a good recovery and a healthy recovery, we need to first participation from the large cap. As you people know that large cap valuation is very low, very at a good juicy level. It's the best time to accumulate a large caps for a long term investors like a blue chip stocks, right. First we need to have a participation in a rally from a large cap followed by a small cap and a mid cap. If it is reverse of it, if first rally comes in a small cap and mid cap and again later in a large cap, it's a very cautious and a negative sign. Market may correct again in a upcoming days. So make sure that invest your money if the large caps are leading the recovery, then only, or else just start your investment with a 5-10% allocations, not at 100% at a time. Just start by in a parts. Make sure that first you should get a large cap, then a small cap and a mid cap and a small cap followingly, right. This is a very important point you should make sure, and you can see in a previous rally as well. And this time we need there may be another super sector which leads the rally. We can't expect the same old sector to lead a rally this time. There will be a new leading sector which will take a market at a good level. According to me, financials and banks will lead the rally, right. Reliance is at a very juicy level and a very extremely mouth-watering level. If we have long-term view, we can accumulate till, if we get at 1050, 1100, best level to accumulate. Reliance, it is at a pre-COVID levels valuation. It is very good if we accumulate Reliance and the blue chip stocks, right. First make sure that rally will come at a large cap, then mid cap and small cap followingly, right. This is it for today's video, right. In upcoming videos we'll discuss stocks, fundamental analysis and everything. Do subscribe to my Sai Technical Analysis YouTube channel. Again, if you want to join to our WhatsApp group, premium group, just in description we have given link of Motilal OSWAL, which we had tie up with a Motilal OSWAL. Just you need to open a Demat account with the Motilal OSWAL and share a screenshot to our email ID. We will add you and we will be having a one-to-one session on your financial advisors and how to make your financial planning, how can you achieve your goals by making a proper investments in across the all investment products. Account opening link is given in a description. Just click on and open, and after opening just email us. We will revert you back and we will get in touch with you, and we will be having regular one-to-one discussion on your investments. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching video. Do subscribe and like and share, and we will meet in a new video in upcoming days. Thank you.